more contented.
I feel like going down the beach tonight.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I feel like going down the beach tonight.
Yes.
Huh?
No.
I don't feel like going down there.
No. I feel like going down.
Kim just messaged me saying come down about 80. I'm like, no.
No.
So go yeah, sure.
Okay, select and justify the project as easy.
But there's nothing else to do.
Check BC. No.
Who?
What's the glue called?
White.
You're on the right track.
Building glue.
Polyurethane. Is it PVC? We're good.
Tomato sauce glue.
PVC.
Alright.
PCB. PC. You're confusing me.
PCP?
That's pipe.
No.
PVC.
No.
P-P-P-E-E-C.
You got nothing, bitch.
What is it? What is that?
Blue. You got nothing.
Come on, you're out.
I didn't even get to those.
PVC.
Single song.
Close.
PVC.
PVD.
PC.
PVP.
P.
Feces.
B. F. What is it?
PVP.
No. What is it? It's an adhesive.
Glue.
So PV.
A. Yeah!
Do it, rule.
I knew they were going to do that. A Brian rule.
Why can't we just say Woodwork? You could. But Alright, so you got PVA, what's the other one? Actually, it says select and justify one.
What do you mean justify?
Justify.
Like, why would you use it?
Why?
Because it glues wood together?
Why?
Well, that is-
Alright, here it says 2 marks.
Yeah.
Okay, that's select
Yeah, bro.
and justify. PVA, there's 1 mark.
It's strong.
Right.
And it glues together.
Okay, it's clear. Something like you drive
Huh?
here and it's strong to the wood, it's clear.
Well, initially, you have to use
Doesn't like water.
Used what?
So if you're using the water,
No.
it's
It's really, really strong glue. You can literally glue a car to make that diamond and hold it up with a chain.
okay, the lid of the chest.
Chest. Boobs.
That's great.
It's still on the chest.
Is made up of water frame.
I'm filming it. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Sketch an exploded view of a suitable joint for each corner.
Is that exploded?
It indicates how the joint panel will fit from the front.
It's like, boom!
Did you guys do your 10 wood? No.
No.
Yeah.
I did.
You did? Little coffee table?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I was.
What's in your metal work?
Oh, actually,
What's behind me?
have a look on the
Oh,
comment
God.
where it says, how much did that
So were you going to put Brett Burns wrong?
No. What would you do after you are a bus joint?
No, on our
corners, I did down.
on our coffee tables we don't biscuit joint.
The big joints on the
Yeah.
corners, you that's what I said before. Yeah. Not for the legs.
No, but you said joints in the thing.
Well, it actually says
Feet
Do
or
you remember this?
legs at B.
Oh no, you say legs, but I didn't hear that. Sorry.
Walking up
So
the
no
hill.
one saw it.
I
Like,
think
Brett
you
was
said
standing
it.
over the boxing coach and Nathan tapped him on the shoulder.
It's a good day.
Huh? And it's like, burn all his arms.
By the end of this, I'm like puffing. I'm like,
Oh, that. You know that.
Yeah, well, it's when we were in Woodwork and Mitchell goes, oh, look, sir, the funny name on the board here is Mitchell.
get outside. I'm like, what for? He's like, just get outside.
And then I'm out the shot as well.
Blake called Muley a prick.
Yeah, I'm fucking defense, but
Probably good.
some prick. Yeah.
And I
Well, I
swore.
did, so.
That wouldn't bug out, it was like swear on your
I remember we weren't allowed to say ah in front of ah. Ah.
I'm offended.
Alright, the production and appearance of the chef is affected by the selection of keywords.
I'm over.
Oh! That you would look for when selecting the keyword for your chest.
Hard. Stop.
Can we write this down or something?
Pity fucking.
Someone meant to remember this. No, you don't want to do that.
No, I won't. I have really bad short-term memory. You, from what you just said.
Stop filming me.
Did you keep